Okay, so I rarely do videos like this, but I figured why not give you a little update on the Offset and Cardi B drama. Now, Offset, one of the members in the group Migos, celebrated his 27th birthday on Friday. No, he only had one wish, one birthday wish, and that was to get back together with his wife, Cardi B.
I only got one birthday wish, and that's to get my wife back, Cardi. You know what I'm saying? We're going through a lot of things right now, a lot of things on the media. I want to apologize to you, Cardi. You know, I embarrassed you. I made you look crazy, doing things I ain't had no business. I was partaking in activity that I shouldn't have been taking in. And I apologize, you know what I'm saying, for breaking your heart, breaking our promise, breaking God's promise, and being a selfish, messed up husband. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to be a better person. I want to get this off my shoulders. I want to get this off my back. I apologize to you, Cardi. I love you and culture. I want to spend Christmas with you. I want to be able to spend the rest of my life with you. I apologize. I'm sorry for what I've done to you. I didn't fuck that girl, but I was entertaining it. You know what I'm saying? I apologize. And I love you. I hope you can forgive me. My birthday wish is just to have you.
No, this is what I want to know. Do you think it is a good idea for Cardi B to get back with Offset? Do you think she should forgive him and, you know, return to the marriage for the sake of the child, for the sake of their union, for the sake of the brand? Or do you think she should actually just stick with her guns and to avoid the relationship and pursue her path alone? Because I'm sure by now most of you know that Offset has allegedly cheated on Cardi B several times, and the incident that happened at the club with two bartenders was due to the fact that Cardi B found out that he was cheating with them and she got angry. Oh boy, this just sad on all levels, all fronts. I don't know. Offset is, you know, him look like him really in them feelings. Offset look like him really, you know, regretting the fact that he might have stepped out of marriage. And right about now, this man is just, I don't know, a little bit desperate. The man and pull out all strings trying to get back Cardi B. But Cardi B look like she not budging. Cardi B is unbothered. Cardi B looks like she is living her best life right now. What do you say, burritos? Do you think that Cardi B should give Offset another chance? Should she return to the marriage? Do you think that she should do it for herself and for the sake of the baby and for the brand? Or do you think, say, Offset just need for, you know, chillax and understand that Cardi B no longer wants to be in a relationship with him? What do you have to say, burritos? Comment down below.
Be careful with me. Do you know